Welcome back to Too Legit Reviews, where we cut through the noise and give you the real deal on products you're actually considering buying. Today we're looking at the YESWELDER MCT-520, a 6-in-1 multifunctional welder and plasma cutter. It handles MIG, flux core, TIG, stick, plasma cutting, and spool gun compatibility all in one machine for about $600. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. So here's the real question. Can a $600 machine actually do 6 different welding and cutting processes well, or is it a jack of all trades and master of none? This unit promises to replace half a dozen standalone machines in one box. Let's find out if it's legit. Starting with MIG welding, which is where most people will spend their time. In synergic mode, you dial in the wire feed speed and the machine automatically matches the voltage. Beginners love this because it takes the guesswork out. If you know what you're doing, switch to manual mode for full control over both settings. It also supports aluminum welding with an optional spool gun, and there's a gas check button to verify you're shielding gas flow before you strike an arc. Now for the plasma cutter. This is where the value really jumps out. Standalone plasma cutters in this cutting range cost $300 to $400 by themselves. This one delivers a half-inch clean cut on 220 volts, 5/16 on 110, using standard compressed air. It'll cut through mild steel, stainless, alloy steel, copper, and aluminum. For the price, having this built in is a serious bonus. On the TIG side, you get up to 200 amps with high-frequency non-touch arc initiation. That means clean starts without contamination, which matters for precision work. For stick welding, you get traditional SMAW capability that works great outdoors where shielding gas would get blown away. Having both in one machine means you can switch between precision and heavy-duty work without switching equipment. The digital display gives you real-time readouts of your amperage and voltage, which is essential for dialing in your settings. On the safety side, it has automatic protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. If something goes wrong, the machine shuts self down before damage happens. This is especially important for a machine that can pull 200 amps. Who should consider this? If you're setting up a home shop or garage and need multiple welding processes but can't justify buying 4 or 5 separate machines, this is exactly what you need. It's also great for small repair shops, auto work, and anyone doing metal fabrication as a hobby. One reviewer called it perfect for anyone who needs all these options but can't justify buying standalone units for each. 70% of reviewers gave it 5 stars, with users consistently calling out the build quality and versatility. One said, "It produced the cleanest welds they've ever seen." Another was impressed enough to call it an incredible machine for the price. People specifically praised the plasma cutting performance and the fact that all 6 modes actually work, not just 2 or 3. No product is perfect. About 8% of reviews are 1 star, mostly from units arriving with missing parts like consumables or regulators. Inspect everything when it arrives. Also, while it runs on 110 volts, you need 220 to unlock the full plasma cutting and welding capacity. And the spool gun for aluminum welding is sold separately. At 47 reviews, it's still a relatively new listing, though the brand has been around for a while. The YESWELDER MCT-520 is legit. $600 for a machine that handles MIG, flux core, TIG, stick, plasma cutting, and spool gun compatibility. That's a legit deal. It's not going to match a dedicated Lincoln or Miller for each individual process, but it doesn't have to. For the home fabricator, do-it-yourselfer, or a small shop that needs versatility, without spending $3 grand on separate machines, this is exactly what the doctor ordered. That's our take on the YESWELDER 6-in-1 welder and plasma cutter. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments what product you want reviewed next. Product links are in the description below. This has been Too Legit Reviews, and we'll catch you on the next one.